Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hamza Teach. Today my topic is about biodiversity. The term biodiversity is derived from a Greek word bio, which means life, and diversity means varieties within a species and among species. So biodiversity may be defined as the varieties of organisms present in different ecosystems. Biodiversity is not distributed uniformly on the earth. Biodiversity estimated that today global biodiversity may consist of more than 100 million kinds of organisms. The biodiversity of an area depends on climate, altitude, and composition of soils etc. Tropical regions of the earth have richer biodiversity while polar regions have fewer species. Importance of biodiversity. Following aspects show the importance of biodiversity. Food for human beings. Biodiversity provides high varieties of food from humans beings. Crops, livestock, forests, and fish are important sources of food for human beings. Productions of drugs. Biodiversity plays a vital role in human and animal health. A wide varieties of plants, animal, and fungi are used as medicine and essentials. Vitamins, drugs such as from fungi. Drugs like caffeine, quinine, etc. are provided by other plants. Industrial benefits of biodiversity. Biodiversity play an important role in the production of industrial material, building material, fabrics, dyes, resins, gems, rubbers, and oil are some of the industrial material derived from the plants. Relation with ecosystem. Biodiversity is the essential component of ecosystem, and an ecosystem species show and interactions among each other. Each species has a specific role in the ecosystem. Loss of species make the ecosystem less predictive. Natural cycles, for example, water cycles, nitrogen cycle etc. going on, and the ecosystem fertility of soil balance, climate, and various other factors depend upon its biodiversity. Classification of organism. Biologist has and defined and describe about 2 million kind of organisms, zero point 0.5 million type of plant, and 1.5 million of animals. These are only a small percentage of the total kind estimated to live on the earth. To study such a large collections of organisms, biologists classify them. Classification is a method by which biologists divide organisms into group and subgroup on the basis of similarities and differences. Basic of classification. Classifications classified organisms on the basis of habits, area, water, lands. However, it was not justified as animal and one group may have nothing in common except their habits. For example, fish and turtle cannot be placed in one group. Later, biologists began to classify organisms on the basis of physical characteristics. Some of the characteristics which are used to classify organisms are as follows: prokaryotic, eukaryotic cell, unicellular or multicellular, autotrophic, photosynthetic or heterotrophic, non-photosynthetic. Modern system of classification is based not only on the habits and physical characteristics but also on genetic, biologically